here fishing on my flooded dock, and I saw the snake's colorful tail. So I went to go pick it up to show you guys. So this is a red rat snake. They usually eat the brown anoles that you see, or the Bahamian anoles, and they will also eat some rodents such as rats and baby squirrels. This guy's big enough to maybe eat a small rat. They're pretty cool to see and handle because they're not very bitey, but whenever they do, it's not that bad. It's literally less than a cat scratch. But this is one of the calmer ones that I've picked up. So I'm gonna put this guy back where we saw him and right back up in this tree. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'm just signing off and reminding you to get out and stay out.